At Southside High School, collaboration is key. Different talents, one goal. Our agriculture students plant seeds, nurturing growth from the ground up. Welding students build a backbone, forging strength from raw materials. Automotive students drive our success, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Culinary arts students nourish our efforts, fueling our passion with every dish. Audio-video production students tell our story, bring our vision to life on screen. Graphic design students craft our identity, turning creativity into a visual message. Police explorers protect our mission, ensuring a safe environment for all. Electrical students bring the power, lighting the way for everyone. Hospitality provides the nutrition fuel needed to stay on course. Nursing students ensure our health as we work together. Together, they're more than just students. They are an unstoppable team, a united Southside family. Different paths, working together to make a difference, achieving greatness and soaring to new levels.